Yo, 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 avocado. Huge trend, healthy, lots of vitamins, nutrients, good fats, that old chestnut. Being that it's a fruit, I'm testing its integration into sweets. Now last episode, we did pudding with avocado. This time, it's a chocolate cake. Let's give it a go. Welcome to Mama Reubo's kitchen. To start, I have a large avocado, and a banana. And I'm just gonna mash these in a bowl. I'm using a potato masher, but you can also just use a fork. And to that, I'm gonna add 2 eggs, a half a cup of sugar, and 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. And then I mix that until it's well combined. And then I'm just gonna sift in 1 cup of flour, 1/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Then we're gonna fold that into the mixture until it's nice and smooth. This goes into a greased cake pan. This one is 6 inches. That's what she said. And it goes into a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. And then you're gonna remove, let cool completely, decorate, and then enjoy. All right, and now it's time to give this a taste. Oh, wow. Oh. Okay. Okay. So it tastes a lot more like banana, so it looks like, oh, the chocolate. Okay. So it's got a lot of chocolate and it's got a lot of banana, but there's not like an avocado taste. I feel like the avocado is there just to like add body to the cake. So it does taste like a little like banana, but it's not strong. Like it's like this light banana taste. But it's chocolatey, but it's not like powerfully chocolatey. Like it's like everything is so perfectly like light. Like it's not too powerful in any sort of way. The avocado is just there as like a supporting act. Oh my goodness, I need another piece. That is good. It is really dense. So it's not like a light, fluffy cake. I'd imagine if you wanted it to be like more light and fluffy, I would say maybe you can fold in some beaten egg whites. That would make it a lot more fluffy. But I mean, even though it's dense, like everything is just like along the line. Like the banana's not too strong, the chocolate's not too strong, there's no avocado taste, like it's a cake. And then actually the whipped cream on top, that adds like a burst of sweetness to it. I like this. Somebody's getting this for their birthday. Maybe everybody's getting this for my birthday from now on. It's a healthier option, and avocados, they're good for you. Didn't I said that already. Anyways, so this deliciousness on a plate. This cake gone. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below any avocado dishes that you've had or you want to have, and any sweets that you've seen avocado show up in. If you like this Make and Takes video and want to see more, then sound off in the comments below. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.